All right, today we're going to talk about the Prima Roll Bag. This is the small version. We also have a large version. This comes in brown and black, as does the large. Some of the cool features about this roll bag are the side pockets. As you can see, they're similar to typical airport luggage you may have already, where the side pockets expand out. If you have items that you want to stick in there, you can just kind of pull them outward, expand the storage capacity of your roll bag, and you can see in this side pouch we have a rain cover. This will protect in the event that you travel on your scooter quite often or it rains unexpectedly. You can just simply throw this right over the top and this will kind of waterproof your roll bag such that stuff inside is not going to get wet. It also comes with a handy shoulder strap. You can see that we're going to pull out the other side pouch here. Just again, grab the D-ring, pull out the top and the bottom, and it expands outward. And zipper has a shoulder strap. That just straps to either D-ring on either side, and you can throw this over your shoulder and take it wherever you may want to go. Now let's talk about the inside capacity of this. Now the roll bag is kind of cool because it has a main storage compartment, but also you have these outer straps, and I'll show you how to use those. You know, with a roll bag, you can add a coat over the top if it's too large to fit inside, or maybe you're going for a picnic and you want to lay out a picnic blanket and you got a bottle of wine inside of here with glasses, and the picnic blanket will easily fit with the straps here. I'll show you how to utilize those. They have quick release tabs here, so you don't have to unbuckle them every time you want to use them to get to the inside. And you just simply open it up. Here you can see we have the main compartment, which is zippered. And at the front of the zipper, you have a Velcro lift, and you have quite a bit of storage capacity there. Again, plenty for your lunch, a laptop, maybe even if you have like a smaller size laptop. The bigger bag will accommodate almost anything. And so you can see here, once you put whatever you're going to put in the main compartment, you can utilize these straps to lay a jacket or a blanket over the top, and you can adjust the straps such that you can strap them in here and it'll hold the blanket and keep the other stuff in the main compartment separate. And I'll show you how to use that once it's on the scooter. All right, we're going to install the Prima Roll Bag. This is the small version. Small is best for the front so you don't block your headlight or anything else. So we're going to show you how easy it is to install this accessory. Turn around and flip this thing upside down. You have three main straps. This straps along the center of the back of the rack, and this straps along the bottom of the rack. So three main things. First thing you want to do is disconnect the quick disconnect straps here, and then you'll see this. Just undo this strap fully so it's out and open, and I'm going to show you how to put this on quite simply and easily. It'll be a fast process. Okay, now that we have the straps ready to put on, just put the scooter rested on the rack, and for the back strap, you want to flip it around underneath the bottom bar and send it upwards along the back of your rack and just grab it. And what we want to do with that is quite simply put it in loosely, because we're going to need a little wiggle room for the next part. Okay, now we're going to work on the bottom section. See here the quick release clip. You're going to go around right around the spring area on either side down through the bottom here, and just set your roll bag down. And now we're going to work on strapping them to the base of this rack. Okay, now you're going to take the front and clip it in to the back side that you just threaded through. Lock them in there, and these straps are adjustable. They actually slide, as you can see, front to back. You can locate them. They slide underneath the roll bag itself. So I'm going to position these such that we don't have a lot of stuff flopping around, and these are also easily adjustable front and back. So I'm just going to pull up the back side of these to snug these up, and I'll show you how to do that very easily. First, we're going to snug up the back side that's along the vertical portion of the rack. Quite simply, you just pull down on these straps and they'll tighten up quite easily. And you just keep pulling until your roll bag is secure against the side of the scooter rack. All right, once you've got the quick clamps clamped in, the easiest way to do this is just quite simply grab this top part and pull. And you'll see it snugs up real nice. Just pull forward. Till you have this real nice and tight. Now, we're going to tuck away the excess straps. All right, now we're going to tuck away these straps. We want our scooter to look cool, so we're going to hide these away up in here. I just go right back over top here, and you got to push in a little bit, but you know, this is like a flexible material. You just push it in and pull it backward, back behind the rack, and it's up and out of the way. All right, cool. All right, once we've got our rack and our Prima roll bag, let's put it to good use. As you can see, I've got the expandable pockets out. These, again, pop in nicely to keep it compact when not in use. And they just pull out when you want to access what you want. Gloves in this pocket, great for riding. And then in the main compartment, today's a work day for me, as you know. These quick release clips just are very easily opened. You can access the main compartment, zip these backward. You have a Velcro strap at the front. And I've got my lemon head lunch pail. So I've got lunch put away in here. Some of you may remember the lemon head. Those are in the know or in the know. Let's go. Here you can see very easily we'll close back, zip, and Velcro. Run the straps down and just clip them back in. And some of you may be wondering, why are these straps here? I'm going to show you the really cool purpose of this. Now we're going to talk about the advantages of the roll bag and where does the roll come in. Let's show you. So just simply undo these straps. Normally you're not going to use those if you're not carrying a load because you just have these quick release straps. But we're going to undo these straps here and show you the advantage of the roll. This piece actually comes off. I'm just going to set it on the lowest setting for now. And we'll be able to show you the cool thing that you can do with a roll bag. So once we're down there, here we are, your main compartment's here, and as you know, I have my lunch in there. Let's show you what I can do if I have other things I want to carry. Today, I've got a hoodie that I want to carry with me, and so a roll bag, you can just stick things in there underneath the main compartment, and it's an additional way that you can expand the storage capacity of your scooter, and you just lock it in like you did before. Now I've got a secure place. And as you know, roll bags are great for picnics. You could run a picnic blanket under there or any other object that's flexible and you want to have some extra storage space. Not only do you have the main compartment, but you have this extra area for soft goods that you can strap to. All right, once we get to our final destination, you may want to take the whole roll bag with you. This has got quick release straps underneath. As you remember when we first did the install, just simply pop those loose and you can pull upward on the back strap and your roll bag is loose. Okay, now that you've got your Prima roll bag unstrapped, one of the other cool features we have is a shoulder strap. You're ready to take it with you. We're off to the airport. We may be heading to Rome, Miami, or somewhere else that you'd like. Simply pull out the shoulder strap, and this is adjustable, as are most shoulder straps, and you connect it to these D-rings, which you've been using to manipulate the side pockets. Throw it over your shoulder. Let's roll. order the roll bag today at Scooterworks.com. I'm James from Scooterworks USA, and thanks for watching.